Hello, this is your old friend Steven from PowerStar. Today, we have this ISUZU GIGA 6x4 hook loader truck matched with 18 cubic meters garbage comparison station. This truck will deliver to Tianjin Seaport. This skip loader truck is designed based on ISUZU GIGA truck chassis. For this cabin, it's same as Japanese ISUZU. Truck equipped with super powerful diesel engine with model 6WG1. Efficient horsepower can be 420, matched with fast brand 12-shift manual gearbox, which have efficiently super power output and lower fuel consumption. This skip loader garbage truck matched with 18 tons hook lift system. The super stronger cylinders are used for the main arm, lifting arm, and falling down. Also, the whole hook lift system can be moved forward and moved back. To loading very strong and heavy garbage bins. This is the horizontal lock. Which can guarantee the whole system working as a dump truck and also can be used for discharge garbage bins. At the rear of the skip loader, equipped with stronger stabilizers. This stabilizer can fully land it on the ground to guarantee the garbage bins maximum 20 tons. ISUZU garbage truck matched with mobile garbage compactor container. For this garbage container, efficient volume can be 18 cubic meters. With the function of compression, the maximum capacity can be 20 tons. The hook lift system and the garbage bin system, they are working together based on this fast collection.